Today I'm going to make some gelatin flowers. Today I didn't have any school because of COVID-19, so my only assignment today was to bake something in the kitchen. So I chose gelatin flowers. I want to show you that it's easy to make gelatin flowers. Even kids can do it, like me.
Boink, 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 boink. The Jello Home. Please subscribe. Boink, 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 boink.
First, I made the two gelatin bases. I made them before. What was I supposed to say? Okay. First, I made the clear gelatin base recipe. I poured it into 2 pans. You can find the link to the recipe in the description box below. After a couple hours in the fridge, they're set and ready to make the flowers. To begin with, we're going to scoop out a little bit in the middle of the gelatin flowers. These are some of the jello tools that we use for our flowers. So some of these are like the leaves and petals. These ones are used for like the middle ones to do tiny little details. I'm going to use this one for the middle of this one and also this for the outside petals of that one too. This is the middle color. I just filled it up with the white gelatin color base. Now I'm going to use yellow for the first layer of petals. Now for the rest of the flower, I'm going to do pink.
the Jello home. Please subscribe.